welcome to Outdoor Explorer Challenge, and this is going to be insects, animals and birds. There's loads of different activities on here that's related to nature and having a look, exploring. I've put lots of links on so that you can have a look at those to help you with each challenge. I hope they go well. Bye. Right, hello. Challenge 1 of the nature section is National Birdwatch Week, and you can take part in the actual challenge online, and then you can send in your results. So have a look at the link, register with National Birdwatch, because it's really important that we're looking after the environment around us. So have a go. All the identification things are on there. Yeah, good luck. It's exciting. Okay, alright, challenge 2 of the nature section is an insect hunt. So it's just to go around your garden or in the forest or on your walks and just have a little look, see what insects you can find. I have added a link on there, so if you find something you're not sure what it is, there's an identification sheet for insects on it. Okay, exciting. Go and find the creeper crawlies. There's going to be lots of slugs. Alright, good luck. Bye. Hi, Nature Challenge 3 is to make a hedgehog house. Now I have added on some links. Hedgehogs currently would be hibernating, but it just means that you're ahead of the game, ready for the summer. You could use things like this. I've got one of these in my garden, but you might want to make it out of wood, and there's a really good link. Don't make it out of cardboard, it might collapse. And always check your cat houses, because sometimes they like to go in there, and then that's why your cat doesn't want to go in there. Okay, so good luck with making a hedgehog house. It'll be very exciting, especially if you've got one in it. Okay, bye. Okay, challenge number 4 of the nature section is to go on a frog hunt. Yes, a frog hunt. Sorry, parents. But I've got a makeshift pond in my garden. Made out of cowlick. It's not very exciting. But we have loads of frogs around. You might also find that if you find a bit of wetland or like some wood near a river, that if you move some sticks you might find a few as well. Okay, so we have quite a lot of school kids love it, so go on a frog hunt. It's cool, and I think I put an identification sheet on as a link as well, so you'll be able to have a look at that. Okay, good luck with this challenge. It's exciting. Bye. Hi, so nature challenge, last challenge, challenge number 5 is to make a nature portrait. So collecting any sticks, leaves, bits and bobs, berries, stones, you name it from the garden, then you can stick it all together and make yourself. You can put it on a paper plate like we did with the pizza, nature pizza, but you can make yourself a portrait. It doesn't have to be yourself. You could do your grandparent, or you could do your family, your little brother or your little sister, but it's using what you've got. So collect it if you go for a walk, and then you've got it ready. Good luck.